Hi, my name is Jessica Whitbread, and I'm with the International Community of Women Living with HIV. I myself have been living with HIV for about 15 years now, since I was 20. So, welcome to my house in Toronto. This is my house. Oh, I think you saw my dog. But anyway, it's a very bone-chilling -17 outside, which I think is a little bit different than what it's like at home where you are. But I just wanted to say how exciting it is that you are doing something for Love Positive Women 2016. So Love Positive Women is an annual holiday that happens the 1st to the 14th every year, and it is a time to celebrate the lives of women living with HIV in our communities, in our domestic partnerships, in our friendship circles, and for women living with HIV to celebrate themselves and treat themselves to a bubble bath, buy some flowers, things that make them feel good. Because women living with HIV are amazing. We're amazing. Like, look around the room and you'll see these champions of the women's rights movement. I think that it's important for women living with HIV to feel like they're valued and supported and beautiful and cherished and respected as mothers and daughters and professionals and friends within our community. So for Love Positive Women 2016, what are you going to do to love women living with HIV? So if you want to know more, you can go to the website for the International Community of Women Living with HIV, which is www.iamicw.org. So iamicw.org. Or you can look for the Love Positive Women Romance Starts at Home on Facebook. And there'll be hundreds of activities from all around the world, from cards that are going to be sent, to dance parties, to karaoke sing-alongs, to private dinners, to public dinners. All the things that are going to make women living with HIV feel really special. So, Love Positive Women! Mwah!
This one goes out to you, Jessica, all the way from Aizawl, Mizoram. They just wanna, they just wanna, they just wanna, they just wanna, girls just wanna have fun. When the working day is done, oh, when the working day is done, oh, girls just wanna have fun. They just wanna, they just wanna, they just wanna.